driving around everywhere.
We're trying to take pictures.
Yeah. We're trying to what?
We're trying to take pictures.
So he's got the, get in the lighting here, it's kind of bright, but he's got the silver Raptor. I have the black Raptor actually. It was kind of like an unplanned thing for him to get a Raptor. He used to have a Green King Ranch. He sold it or traded it in to get this Raptor, which is really nice. This is a 19 and mine's a 18. There's really not much, I mean there's differences in the suspension, but all around in the outside nothing changes a whole lot besides the stickers on the hood.
Oh, you also have different wheels.
Well, yeah, well, I put those wheels on. I have the, are these the Gen 1 Raptor wheels?
Yeah, it's from 14.
Yeah. I still have my other ones that look just like his, I think.
Yeah, because a Raptor,
Yeah.
the new Raptors aren't technically an SVT.
Yeah.
But the old first gens are.
I got these for a really good price because I roasted my other ones. So I had to get new ones. These are 35s too, but I do not recommend these tires because they sway all over the road. They're not good for high speeds.
Toyo MTs, that's where it's at. Oh,
Is that your exhaust off the King Ranch?
Yeah, that's the stock exhaust on the King Ranch. Oops.
You literally did so much work to it and then you sold it.
Yeah, I know. I have problems.
Like, yeah, this was so unplanned. He got the Raptor not knowing he was gonna get a Raptor.
Yeah, so
I mean,
I actually planned to go buy a first gen, 2014 fully loaded first gen, and then we ended up buying a 19 instead.
Yeah, that day at the dealer, he was about to get a fully loaded 14. It was the first gen, right? 14.
Yeah, it was the first gen with a 6.2.
Yeah, and he ended up getting that one because it was just a better deal overall getting that one.
Yeah.
So they got it for a good price. We're gonna go take pictures of the trucks in this little river down where he lives. So it's a lake, but it gets narrow, so it's kind of like a river. And there's a boat ramp, and is there enough water there? There should be. To get a picture of the trucks like barely creeping in the water. I think it'd be pretty cool. But we're gonna go do that. Catch you there. This man. That's funny. We're gonna wash both trucks up. Mine's more dirty than his though. What mirror?
That mirror, dude. Look, I got you a mirror.
Oh, your tinted windows?
Dude.
Okay, we're gonna get this one washed up first. This one's dirty. I turned my wheels, that way I can get in the wheel wells a little bit better. Dude, there's what?
What? What is that?
Dude, I flung stuff everywhere.
Oh, damn.
Here. Done?
Yeah, dude, I'm done. It's dripping wet.
Don't slip on the drip. Recording.
Oh, that's awkward.
Recording already.
No, I rolled
Hey,
the back window
Yo,
back.
what are we doing? What's the plan? What are we doing tonight?
Straight piping.
Straight piping?
Straight piping a truck right now.
We're what?
We're straight piping.
No, say it in your accent.
Straight piping.
Say it.
We're straight piping a truck.
Okay, so we're gonna install this exhaust I got off from another truck. I think it's a Flowmaster 10. Does it say the series on it or no?
I don't think so.
But we know it's loud. It was loud on the other truck.
Yeah, it was.
So we're gonna replace one muffler with this one, and we're gonna be. Basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see what's the best sound for these trucks without the raspiness.
Yeah,
Because-
trying to cancel all the V6 noise and kind of keep it a little bit deeper.
Yeah. We're trying to get a GTR sound basically out of it.
I didn't know they extended that far.
What?
Nothing, this kid.
Oh, you didn't know they extended that
I
far?
didn't know they extended that far.
It sounds way deeper.
Ew, that's not good.
Of course. What are you doing with that? No.
No, he said I could.
That way she can feed the wire.
Oh.
I'm feeding the wire.
Oh.
This is
Are
me
you?
feeding the wire.
Pretty sure letting her do a lot more than I can.
Well, it's because you drive a BMW.
She does too. What the?
It's because you drive a BMW that keeps beeping at you.
She drives a 320.
Shut up!
What a
I'm stuck.
Oh,
There seems to have been glue on the truck.
there seems to have been glue on the truck. I haven't heard that one.
That's a new one. What are you doing, step bro?
There seems to have been glue on the truck.
Alright, what's going on over here still?
Dude, I keep cutting it, but she keeps. Stop!
Stop, what are you doing?
Stop! You're
Look at it
wasting.
go!
You're wasting the gas.
It was like $50.
Okay, stop. No,
The gas is not.
The gas isn't $15.
Oh.
This tank right here.
Yeah.
What's going on, baby? Today we out here filming.
Just got my new M4, my Ford Raptor, my Chevy Silverado.
Retard has the camera now.
So, aren't those pretty cute? Alright, so we got the exhaust on the truck. There it is. You're going. That's good. You like it?
Yeah.
Why doesn't he do it?
We can make another. Oh, he's pulling us over. We're getting pulled over. For what? We still don't know.
How's it
How's it going?
Where y'all headed to, bro?
We're trying to find the boat dock.
The boat dock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that where y'all are driving around
We're
everywhere?
taking.
Yeah.
We're trying to take pictures.
Yeah.
You're trying to what?
We're trying to take pictures.
Of
Yeah.
what?
This.
Yeah.
I just bought. I have an F-150 also. I have the. Have you heard of the Tuscany?
No,
Yep.
I haven't.
How they? You have?
Yeah, it's like a lifted package.
Man, they trick those things out. Yeah, they. It's a company that takes them and then they put like a 6-inch Pro Comp lifts and they put fender flares,
Dang.
like custom embroidery for the seats.
Yeah, you have
and
the
all that
custom
stuff
board
like that.
sheets. That's
Yeah,
sweet.
it's a lot of crap on there.
That's
but
cool.
I paid like $28 for that truck. Yeah,
Ooh.
Oh.
yeah, I cleaned them on that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Come on, so I couldn't even really tell you. So
Yeah.
just be careful driving around here. This
Yeah.
isn't the greatest neighborhood. So okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, guys. Y'all
Have a good night.
Okay.
That was the nicest interaction I have ever had with a cop. He was nice. Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Can you shut up?
I'm waiting, boys.